If you're a streamer and want to play mobile games, you have a couple of options. The most common way is through an emulator, but those are resource intensive and won't play well with some computer setups. Some games even mention that it's against the terms of service to use an emulator, putting yourself at risk of getting your account banned. And I don't want to lose my FGO account that I have an MP5 Osaka Bohemia on. I really don't want to lose her, she's my wife. You could just play the PC version of the game, but those are few and far between, and even if there were transfer methods between mobile and PC, you don't want to do that every time for stream. Enter scrcpy. Scrcpy is a free-to-use screen mirroring software that uses your Android phone and a USB cable to share audio and video lag-free to your computer. In addition, scrcpy lets you control your phone using your mouse and keyboard, all while your phone does the hard work, all without any complicated hacking process to set it up. To install, download the latest version of scrcpy from the creator's GitHub linked below. In the README, look for the section labeled Get the App and read the instructions for your operating system. For Windows, it's downloading the latest app as a zip file and extracting it to a folder. To prepare your Android phone, we'll need to enable USB debugging on your system. This varies from manufacturer to manufacturer, so the instructions won't be exact, but I will be doing this on my Pixel 7. From the home screen, open up your Settings app. After, scroll down to System and then About this phone. Tap the build number section multiple times until you see the phrase, "Congrats, you're a developer." Since I have this already, it already says that I'm a developer. Next, enable USB debugging. Please keep in mind that USB debugging does allow other devices that connect to your phone to control over them, so be safe where you plug this in. You can also just disable it when you aren't using the software and enable it when you need to. After you have USB debugging enabled on your phone, plug it into your computer. Then run the app. For Windows computers, you may need to respond to a pop-up about accepting an RSA fingerprint on your phone. Just press OK, then open the app up again. After a moment, you will see your phone screen successfully mirrored onto your desktop. Keyboard and mouse input is self-explanatory. You can copy and paste text like normal and use your mouse as if it was your finger. For more advanced controls, they're located on the GitHub page. It has tools such as controlling the volume, turning the screen off to save battery and heat, enter full screen mode, pinch to zoom, and other commands that might be done with gestures on your phone. Scrcpy allows for more features such as screen recording and even screen mirroring over your home's Wi-Fi, but that requires the use of a terminal to customize or enable those features. There are a couple of graphical user interfaces available for Scrcpy, so if you're put off by typing things into a terminal just to start a video recording, the GUI options are available for you. For any more resources, the Scrcpy's GitHub page has all the documentation you will need. That's your VTuber Tech Tip for today. This is Alma Hexblade, signing off.